eyes on the lights then. 10 minutes plus 1 lap. The lights are on, the lights are out, and away we go for the A final in Honda Cadet. Very even start for the front row of the grid, and the second row got a good start as well. And in fact, Mitchell Gibbons is, I think, down to 4th place. It might be Ethan Symonds who's come to the field. No, it is indeed this number 6 off Sonny Smith. So Sonny Smith into the lead then of the front row. Ethan Symonds is following through, and now Mitchell Gibbons has fallen back into 2nd place and has a little point there to Sonny Smith to say, oh, someone's off in the background. Little point there from Gibbons to Smith to say, let's work together, let's get on with this, let's try and pull away from the rest of the field. Rest of the field going through the order just to check who that was spinning off. Going down the order. No one's been set to yet, so we'll find out in a moment. Field coming round the final corner. Sonny Smith leads, Mitchell Gibbons is second, Ethan Symonds now goes to 3rd, Oscar Teuton 4th. Those really have been the top 4 throughout the whole of the heats. Josh AGAMBAR 5th. Just to check who your spinner was on the first lap. It looks like, oh, it's Ben Rayburn. So Ben Rayburn, who's had a good day so far, not had a good final so far, he is now falling down to 34th, and a move for the lead. Move for the lead. Mitchell Gibbons has gone through, but Sonny Smith is going to fight back and retake the lead almost instantly. Great fight back there by Sonny Smith to retake the lead in his number 6 kart. Ethan Symonds just behind as well. Oscar Teuton, Josh AGAMBAR in there as well. In fact, 7 of them. We've got a 7-kart battling lead here at the start of this race. Smith, Gibbons, Symonds, Teuton, AGAMBAR, Stilp and Eldridge all fighting it out. And look at this. Symonds is now on the inside. Gibbons has been forced out. Gibbons has been completely forced out. He's going to lose a good number of positions here. He's down to 4th. He's down to 4th already, so Oscar Teuton has followed through. And now this is the key thing in Honda Cadet racing. If you've not watched it before, momentum is key. Number 51 being forced out wide there. That's Haydn Eldridge. But having the momentum in these low-powered karts, not as much of a slipstream effect as you get with others when they start battling, they start getting offline, you lose a lot of time. We saw that there with Mitchell Gibbons. He's already though fought back to 3rd place, so he's already got past Oscar Teuton. And up the inside, oh, going for 2nd place was Gibbons there, and he's done it, and he's got back past Ethan Symonds. Really brave move there into turn 1. And our 7 have now become 5, so 6th and 7th place are now fighting. Oscar Stilp, Oliver Stilp, apologies, and Jack Hobson. Jack Hobson's had some good drives through the field so far today. It looks like he's on another one here, now up to 7th place. Oh, 2 drivers off. The number 46 is one of them, that's Liam Dorman, and I think the other might have been the 43. If it was, that was Damian Barruss-HAGGETT. Over about 22nd place. Oh, nearly contact there between the 2 leaders. Sonny Smith defending his position hard there against Mitchell Gibbons round the final corner. 6 minutes, 10 seconds plus 1 lap to go. And Mitchell Gibbons. Again through increments into Ashby, hard on the brakes. And here you start to see the classic Honda Cadet thing, just working together now. For Smith and Gibbons, they're trying to pull away from the rest of the field. For Smith and Gibbons, that is, working together to pull away from Symonds and Teuton. Those 2 simply working together to try and keep on terms with Gibbons and Smith. Good job at this stage of the race. AGAMBAR still there in 5th place. Hobson has now got up to 6th place ahead of Oliver. just over halfway in terms of the time through this Honda Cadet A final. Still Mitchell Gibbons and Sonny Smith trying to work together to pull away from Ethian Symonds and Oscar TEUTEN. Doing it pretty well at the moment. If anything, Ethian Symonds is trying to edge away from Oscar TEUTEN. The second, 10 of the second point. First set, the second set. And up the inside goes Gibbons. He's gone for the lead. He's gone for the lead. 4.5 minutes to go. Well, Mitchell Gibbons wants to take charge of this race. He doesn't want to sit in second anymore. He clearly must be thinking, well, it's not working, because Symonds and TEUTEN are still there, still close by, so he's gone for the lead. Now, can he start to pull away from Sonny Smith? We saw this earlier in Heat 4, well, Heat 3, apologies, these two fighting together, and Sonny Smith was actually able to fight back and retake the lead on the road, win that heat. To the boot then. Mitchell Gibbons still leading this one. Third on timing. There we go, cross start finish. There was the change. Gibbons now leads from Smith. Symonds and TEUTEN are just over half a second behind. 6-3 now to take the third. And look at Sonny Smith, he's going for the lead again. He's going back on the inside. Now this is very interesting indeed. This is not normally what happens in Honda Cadet. We normally have the drivers working together, but today Sonny Smith leads yet again ahead of Mitchell Gibbons. Ethian Symonds and Oscar TEUTEN still really trying to fight hard to keep on terms, but these two, even though they are battling, I say battling, they're being very fair, very, very wise heads on these young shoulders, knowing that if one of them is up the inside of the other, there's no point at this stage of the race trying to fight each other and take each other out or lose time. So Sonny Smith confirms back into the lead there. Mitchell Gibbons now. Will Mitchell Gibbons have a go here up the inside into turn 2? Into turn 3 rather, which of course is just no, it's just going to sit there for now. 2.5 minutes plus 1 lap in this Honda Cadet final to go. Track limit warning for the number 40 of Jamie Perrelly. You can see on your screen. Ethian Symonds and Oscar TEUTEN, well, they were still about 0.6 of a second down on these two. 2 minutes to go, plus 1 lap. Another track limit warning comes in, this time for the number 21 of James Bell. Just to point out as well, Reece Lomax will not be fine. It's up to 21st place. It's a really good effort from Reece Lomax. New fastest lap of the race has just gone in from Mitchell Gibbons at 54.06. This might be a chance. Gibbons might have a go here up into Christmas corner. 0.06 between them. No, Gibbons is just going to stay there. 1 minute 30 plus 1 minute to go. Now he's getting into the more traditional Honda Cadet race that we see around here in Whilton Mill. The two leaders working together now to basically ensure that both of them will get at least second place. They go and top of the last lap. Surely that for the win. Symonds and TEUTEN still not that far behind. It's less than a second the gap between second and third place. 1 minute to go. So there will be another lap as they cross the timing line in 3 seconds. So there'll be two more laps. 2 more laps because time will expire on this new lap starting now. Then plus 1 more lap. Sonny Smith sets the fastest lap of 3.99 for Smith, 54 flat for Gibbons. They're really working together well now. 1.5 seconds is now the gap between Symonds and TEUTEN. They will do this for another lap and then fight for the win on the last lap of this race. Can Smith and Gibbons edging out another half second maybe? That's guaranteed for themselves, first and second place. Symonds and TEUTEN similarly pulled out quite a nice gap over Josh AGAMBAR in mid place, 3.31 seconds between 4th and 5th place. And time is now up now, so the drivers will see the final lap call we go, on to the last lap then for the Honda Cadet A final. And here is where Mitchell Gibbons will have a go. Perhaps up the stretch to Christmas corner. Is he going to dive? And there we go. Sonny Smith now goes defensive. Gibbons is going to have to try and go round the outside. Can he do it? Oh, there's a little bit of contact there. And Sonny Smith held his line there to keep the lead, and that's given him a bit of a gap now to Mitchell Gibbons in second place. Down through Ashby Corner. Was that the crucial move? Was that the crucial moment where Sonny Smith was able to hold on to this lead? Still the battle going on for third place as well. The last place on the podium, Ethian Symonds and Oscar TEUTEN. How well have those two driven today? But it looks like Sonny Smith is going to hold on to this. He's really had to dig deep today and take this to Mitchell Gibbons round the final corner for the final time here in round one of WMKC 2019. Sonny Smith wins in Honda Cadet. Mitchell Gibbons is second, and over the line, Oscar TEUTEN is third. Now, what happened there? Ethian Symonds didn't look too happy about that, and I wonder, did something happen on the last corner? Oscar TEUTEN scored as third. Morgan Symonds, bid for Josh AGAMBAR.